Hi everyone. Today let's try to solve a problem, that is, let's try to do a model, 3D model. So we have the model in this way, which I took it from the textbook actually. So we have the model here. So you can find the model in the description below. The link for the model has been given, and you can also find the steps of doing this model in the software also. So the link has been given below in the description. So now let's start with the model. Okay, so we have the protrusion command. We'll take the protrusion command and we'll draw a rectangle. Okay, so we'll draw a rectangle. So I will use the line command, so which you are familiar with. I'll do it as 62 mm over here, and I'll specify the height as 34. Okay, so we'll complete the profile. Make sure you connect all the lines properly, then come to return, and so we'll give the distance as 75. So once we have it, so I'll click on finish. Okay, so in the mid portion we saw it as a cutout. Okay, so circular cutout. So I'll select the cutout and I'll select the front plane over here, and I'll select the circle, and we had a radius of 19, so the diameter becomes 38. Okay, so I'll select the 38 and I'll place it in the center. So if you want, you can find the distance. Okay, so that is, if you see, it is exactly placed in the middle, that is 31. Okay, the total distance is 62 and the diameter of this particular circle is 38. That means the radius is 19. So I'll click on return and I'll perform the cutout and I'll click on finish. Okay, so once I have this cutout, so next portion what I'm going to do is, so I'll select on this particular face. Okay, I'll just fit it. Okay, so make sure you don't rotate it once you click on the face. So cutout, click on here, so fit, and use the spam to move, don't rotate. So once we have it here, so we have the thickness of 6 mm. So on this side we have a thickness of, so from here we have a thickness of 6 mm. So I'll just draw a line of 6 mm, and from the bottom also we have the thickness of 6, and from on the side also we have a thickness of 6. So these are for the references. Okay, so in the bottom also we'll do the same way, 6, and from here also I'll draw it as 6. Okay, so now I will try to cut out this region. So I'll just take the help of this alignment indicator, so, and I'll just complete the profile. So this dimension, whatever the outside thing for the cutout, doesn't actually really matter. So we just need to complete the profile so that we can remove that particular region. Okay, so it can be in any shape. Only thing, the profile has to be complete. So make sure you delete this line. Okay, so so I just went wrong at this particular point. Okay, so we have to draw a line straight. Okay, so make sure you draw the line straight. Okay, so here, as I said before, so if we leave any kind of profiles blank, so I'll show you how. So if this is not complete, this particular end is not complete, so when I click on return, we get a command, that is, it will show this line is not complete and this line is not complete. Okay, so for that we have to recorrect it. So we'll delete that particular line, even this also. Now if you click return, it will come. So we have to cut out in this particular manner. Finish. Okay, so once we have cut out this particular region, even on the bottom portion also we have to cut it off. So for that I'll take the cutout command itself. I'll select on this particular plane, that is the invert plane. Okay, so once I click on that, so they have specified it as, from the top we have a distance of 28 mm, that is from here. So I'll specify the 28 distance. Okay, so once I have it, so I'll take it from here with the help of the alignment indicator. I'll fix it over here, and then here, and we'll connect it here, and we'll trim this line, trim. Okay, so now we'll return and we'll cut the bottom portion. Finish. Okay, so as you can see, we have completed the model as they have given in the figure. So you can find the dimensions and the method in the description. The link for that has been given. You can go with the figure and the dimensions over there. Okay, so we can place it, we can rotate, or we can place it in the isometric view. You can see the same model that is been done over here. It is similarly, the dimensions of this is been given in the description link. Once you have done, make sure you save the file and then close it.